Hello and welcome. My name is Jan Dvorak. I'm the founder of Liter Universe, which I will introduce to you here today. Liter Universe is all-in-one creative writing and publishing platform. From the writer's point of view, you can think of this as your own professional publishing toolbox. And this is specifically what I will be looking today. So we have what's called workshop. This is the toolbox, as I mentioned. And as our name stands, we primarily focus on universes, these case literary universes, where all your stories, characters, and everything live. So think of this as, for example, the Star Wars universe or the Game of Thrones universe. All of that will be living under, could say, this folder of universe. Of course, we support also standalone stories, fan fictions, and plan to do many more. Specifically, we plan in the future to support audiobooks and webtoons. We support many modes that you can work on stories. You can work on your own, or you can collaborate with somebody else via collaborative work. You can be a translator, you can be a beta reader, and in the future we also hope to support editors. So let's quickly take a look here at a universe and what's actually in there. So obviously we have the stories, we have encyclopedia with all the characters, locations, magic, technology, spaceships, all that stuff is in there. We have a universe page which acts like a blog for the story, where you can put in all the exploits or like behind the scenes what's happening, so on. Of course, you can set translations so that you can get it translated to other languages and attract more readership. We have here something called Fan Manager, where you can set up that fans can send you artworks and write fan fiction. So this way you can look at it and either keep it for yourself or publish it on your universe page. Of course, statistics and fewer things like internal forums, and of course we must not forget monetization. If we look at the stories, you can see I have here multiple stories. So let's take a look in depth into one of them. So this is our story control panel, and similar to the universe control panel, we have here statistics, collaborators, translations, monetizations, but also very story specific. So challenges, storylines, legal documents, sharing, and interestingly here we have these three buttons that you can manually set what's the status of your story, but we also have automatic control. So if you don't publish a new chapter in the last 6 months, it will automatically set your story to hiatus, and after another 6 months of inactivity, it will mark your story as cancelled. So this way you can know for the readers what is the status of the story, what's going on. And of course, once you finish, you mark it as complete and can move on to the next work. Let's take a look here into our story editor. As you can notice, of course, we can change all the usual things, like what lighting is there. We can hide our toolbar there. We can go full screen. And since I'm dyslexic, I'm also going to toggle here my dyslexic font. Stay here on this light theme, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to select name of my character, click on this lookup button, and I'm going to find the character name in the encyclopedia. Now that I have connected it, you can see it's slightly underlined. This is the same way it's going to appear in the reader. So if you have a curious reader, they can click on it, and here on the right we shall see all the information about the character. Of course, since we are in the editor, we can edit it, adjust it, and do all the awesome things with it, like we can do in a full encyclopedia, so that you don't have to have two browser windows open or have two monitors to manage everything. You can manage everything from one place. Finally, of course, must not forget to save things, and you can see we have here also option to create revisions for beta readers or go to publishing. So once you have beta readers, they can give you feedback and then improve your work. And with publishing, of course, you can schedule publishing and all that stuff. So this was a very quick overview. I'll see you next time with more in-depth videos.